Namaskaram. Today we are starting with the new paper research methodology. In this session, the discussion is in connection with the introduction to research, then objectives or need of research, and motivation or need in research. So, write down research refers to the systematic methods consisting of enunciating enunciating the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts or data, data, analyzing the facts and reaching certain conclusions towards the concerned problem. First of all, moreover, in inverted commas, brevity, brevity, clarity, clarity, and explanatory, explanatory, are particularly important. First of all, otherwise, the research particularly concerned and important as it should be brief, bright, and the best. First up. Next heading, objectives of research. Objectives of research. In brackets, need of research. Okay, write down. Each research study has its own specific purpose, and hence the objectives have a number of broad groupings. First up, 1. To gain GIN, gain familiarity with a phenomenon. 2. To know accurate characteristics of a particular individual, situation or a group. First up, number 3. To determine the frequency which occurring association with the studies. First up, fourth one, the test hypothesis of causal relationship. So these are all the major objectives or need of research. Okay, next subheading, motivation in research or need of research. Write down. There are so many factors which are enabled to do research, they are 1. Desire to get a research degree. 2. Desire to face the challenges, in solving the unsolved problems. Next 3. Desire, DESIRE, desire to get intellectual joy, JOY, intellectual joy, and doing some creative work. Then 4. Desire to serve a society. And 5. Desire to get respectability. respectability, respectability. So these are all the 5 different motivation or need of research. Okay, next subheading types of research. The basic types are: 1. Descriptive versus analytical. Okay, write down. It includes surveys, surveys, and fact-finding inquiries. First up, the analytical research, on the other hand, is based on information already available. Second, 2. Applied versus fundamental. Okay, write down. Applied research is to find out a solution for immediate problem, whereas fundamental research is concerned with a generalization. Okay, next type 3, quantitative versus qualitative. Okay, write down. Quantity is related to measurement and quality is related to quality or kind. Okay, first up, next fourth type, conceptual, conceptual, conceptual versus empirical, empirical. Okay, write down. Conceptual related to abstract ideas or theory, and empirical is related to experience or observation. Okay, next fifth type. Number 5, some other types of research. Some other types of research. Okay, write down. They are variations of one or more of the above stated approaches. That is descriptive versus analytical, applied versus fundamental, quantitative versus qualitative, and conceptual versus empirical. First up, it may be field setting research or laboratory research or simulation research, SIMULATION, simulation research. Okay, so this is the part of research methodology with an introduction and objectives of research and motivation in research and types of research generally described in this topic, and you can reveal about the generalized level, and subsequently we go for the different stages of research. That is, the types of research is here in this session we discussed. And in the next session, we can see the stages of research and how it is discriminated in research methodology. Okay, thank you.